Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean a microfiber couch. Mine is pretty gross, I haven't done it for over a year. It's pretty simple, you only need a few supplies, baby wipes, some rubbing alcohol, and some rags. You're going to start off by doing some spot cleaning with the baby wipes, just to gently lift some of the stains that might be on the couch. So I previously tried to do this cleaning method on my white microfiber chairs that I have in my dining room, and it worked pretty well, so I wanted to see how I could use it on my couch. You're going to go ahead and put the rubbing alcohol inside of the spray bottle and go ahead and start spot treating with the rubbing alcohol this time. Fun fact, did you know that water stains your microfiber couch? That's why you want to use rubbing alcohol, because it evaporates faster. Also, make sure that you have some windows open because the rubbing alcohol is pretty potent and it will give you a headache if you are in there for too long without ventilation. You're going to want to saturate your couch or the area that you're working with the rubbing alcohol so that it evaporates evenly after you're done scrubbing out the section that you're working on. You can let your furniture air dry. I'm going to be using a hair dryer just for the sake of this video so that I can get a faster, even dry on my couch. Now that's pretty much it, and I'm going to repeat this process on all the other sections of my couch. When your couch is dry, you're going to use a brush and you're just going to go over the couch so that you can return it to its nice soft state. To be honest, I was a little surprised at how well this method worked for the microfiber couch, and you can go over it more than once. I might go over the couch again just to make sure that I get all of the stains lifted out of it. But I'm pretty surprised and happy with how well it got all of those stains out of my couch. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button.